Namaskar everybody, I am Dr. Swati Popat-Watts and I am back with Dr. Watts Recommends. Today I have with me some brilliant storybooks written by and illustrated by Falguni Gokhale. I think she is an educator at heart because when I read these books, they are so inspiring. The books are on real life heroes like Dhyan Chand, Rani of Jhansi, Bhimsen Joshi, and Kalpana Chawla. What I liked about these books is that it tells you the story of all these real life heroes and how they grew up to achieve what they achieved. So, for example, for Kalpana Chawla, it says a story of determination. For Bhimsen Joshi, it says a story of passion. For Rani of Jhansi, it says a story of courage. And for Dhyan Chand, it says a story of focus. So if you look at this focus, courage, passion, and determination, they are life skills. So actually through these storybooks, you are teaching children the essential life skills that will ultimately lead them to be resilient individuals that can thrive in their lives, both in education and in future life. What I loved about the books also are the illustrations. They are brilliantly done, and each of the books has a different style of illustration. So if you see here, the one on Bhimsen Joshi, and my favorite is the one on Dhyan Chand because it has a lot of different illustration styles. Some of them have painted backgrounds, and if you see the styling, everything is keeping in mind that these are Indians. So the illustrations bring out the essence both of their Indianness and their greatness. I am so happy that Falguni sent me these books, and I enjoyed reading them, and so will you. I think these are a must for every school library and for the library of every child, even at home, because rightfully, as it says here, these are of Tota books. They are books to inspire. So it is very, very important that we gift children these books, which will not only help them read. I like the way the reading is also kept to the minimum, and it's important that children would be engaged in these books. They would be able to read them, and it's inspirational. At the end of the book, she has put a little bit about each of these personalities. And I think this is a starting point for children to get inspired. So I would urge you, please, you must have a set of these in your library. I then picked up this book. It's called Health Heroes. And I was immersed in this, and I read it in under an hour. Some of my favorites here are about how the stethoscope was invented, how hand washing, because nowadays we talk about hand washing, how hand washing became an integral part of medical science, how there is Atul Gawande who talked about making a surgical list so that surgeons don't forget important steps when they are doing a surgery. Or inoculations, how were they invented? And it's done in such an interesting childlike style that it has these illustrations. It also has these little notes, if you can see. And then it also has these definitions which are given in very simple words so that children, whatever they learnt in that particular chapter, can also learn about those definitions. I love this book, especially today at the time of the pandemic. It kind of helped me feel very good and strong about this battle that we are fighting, because you know that if this is what our health heroes were able to achieve in the olden days, then I'm sure our doctors, our medical community will to get us out of this situation which we are in very soon. Again, I recommend this as a must-have. You all know I am very fond of coding, and I feel coding is something that every child should learn. not just to create apps and get jobs, please. I picked up this on online. It's called Kodayana, and I thought it sounded like a character whose name is Kodayana. It's an interesting game, but I had my reservation with it, which I feel as an educator we should all have. It kind of changes the story of the Ramayana and makes it about something different. I don't want to get into it because I feel as educators we have to be very sensitive when it comes to things like religion, because religion is something which is very, very sensitive topic in our country. And just like we wouldn't change the story of Jesus Christ or Prophet Muhammad, we should not meddle with religious stories, with religion, and the passion that people have with it. And so I'm not going to get into this. But as I said, this and this is what I recommend. And I have very rarely seen a writer and an illustrator doing such a good job. And I think this book and this set of books is amazing and a must-have. So please let me know your feedback once you find them. And if you have any books or any toys for children that you would like me to review, please do write to me on ecapresidentindia@gmail.com. Till then, wear your mask, wash your hands, and do gas ki duri.